In my 40 years of parent consulting, I don't think there was a question that was asked more frequently than what to do when. This is probably at the top of any parent's mind. The key, of course, is to realize that most problem behavior is rooted in instinct and emotion, and it's rather useless to battle against the symptoms. And so the issue that we should, the modus operandi, the guiding principle of the incident is to do no harm. If we did no harm, if we didn't harm the relationship, we didn't harm the dignity, if we were able to get it out of the problem situation without exacerbating the problem, we would do well. We put way too much emphasis on the incident. What we want to do, if we throw an infraction flag, that's not the way to speak to your sister. Those aren't the kind of words we use in our house. Or you know that you were supposed to turn off the television 10 minutes ago. If we throw the infraction flag, we should do so simply and without shaming the child. And if we throw the infraction flag, the most important thing to do is to bridge the problem behavior. And to bridge is to go right over the problem behavior to what stays the same or the next point of connection. What that does, the bridging interaction, is it says the relationship is more important than the problem. So you say, I'm still your dad, we're okay, I'm looking forward to watching the game with you, but you bridge the problem behavior. That gets the relationship thing out of the way because every child wants to know, are we okay? You say, we're okay. We're okay. Now we can deal with the problem. But in the incident, we're better off thinking about it first. And so we're always better off getting out of the incident sooner than later, exiting sooner than later. The thing to realize is the place to deal with problem behavior. The context is not the incident, it's the relationship. Once you activate the relationship, you get the eyes, the smile, and the nod, then go to work. Try to bring the child on side with a good intention. Help move mad to sad if you need to. Help them find their mixed feelings. There's so much that we can do to get to the root problem, and we can make tremendous strides in this. But the incident is not to do our work. The incident simply notifies us that there is a problem. It's in the relationship that we should always do our work, and nothing replaces talking. Talking with our child is the most important way of interacting with them.